The Resume Dasher sign-up error is a common technical issue that prevents new DoorDash drivers from completing their registration process. This frustrating loop can stop you from becoming a Dasher. This error typically occurs when the initial registration process gets interrupted, background checks encounter delays, account verification steps remain incomplete, or server synchronization issues prevent progress updates. The first approach involves app-based solutions. Start by force closing and restarting the Dasher app. Then clear the app cache on Android devices or offload the app on iOS devices. Make sure you're using the latest version from the App Store. If the app-based solutions don't work, try the web browser approach. Access the DoorDash driver portal through a web browser instead of the app. Clear your browser cache and cookies completely, use incognito mode, and try different browsers if needed. Before attempting any fixes, ensure you have these essential requirements: a valid email address and phone number, a stable internet connection throughout the entire process, and either an updated app version or a modern web browser. These solutions address the most common causes of the Resume Dasher sign-up error. Start with the app-based approach, then try the web browser method if needed. Having the right prerequisites in place will significantly improve your chances of successful registration. When basic troubleshooting methods fail to resolve the Resume Dasher sign-up error, it's time to contact DoorDash support directly for an account reset. You'll need to provide several verification documents for the account reset process. These include your government-issued photo ID, social security card, vehicle insurance certificate, and vehicle registration documents. To prevent sign-up issues from occurring, follow these best practices. Use a stable Wi-Fi connection, complete the process during off-peak hours, like weekday mornings, and have all your documents ready in digital format before starting. Avoid these common mistakes that can cause sign-up problems. Don't start the registration during system maintenance windows, avoid using outdated app versions, and never switch networks or devices mid-process. If all other methods fail and problems persist, consider using a different email address to create a completely fresh registration. This bypasses any account-specific issues that may be preventing successful sign-up completion.